The quilt I'm going to share with you today is called Tilted Squares. It's a great way of using up those 5-inch squares that maybe you bought on impulse from the quilt show, or that you just see as a new range, because it's a great way to buy product now, the 5-inch squares, nickel packs. The range behind me was one that I had left over from a previous project. It designed by Alison Glass. Make as many as you want for your quilt or your project, and then they go together in rows. There's nothing magical about that. It's just I just think that the interest is in the tilting squares. You will have a 1/4 inch here and a 1/4 inch here. You can match them up. If you wanted to give yourself a little bit of tolerance, you could add a little bit of sashing. That way nothing has to match with anything else.